banner install for the Trilogy banner display is quick and easy. With the insert sticker facing the back of the banner, open the snap rail. Fully insert the graphic banner into the groove of the snap rail. Close snap rail shut. Repeat these steps for the bottom snap rail and for the other two banners. Banner install is now complete and you are ready for kit assembly. The kit assembly for the Trilogy banner display is quick and easy. Begin by removing all parts from the convenient carry case. Assemble one of the shock-corded poles. Insert the top groove of the pole into the snap rail by the insert sticker. Unroll the banner and insert the bottom groove of the pole into the bottom snap rail by the insert sticker. Adjust the telescoping pole until the banner is taut. Place banner to the side. Repeat these steps for the other two banners. Lay two of the banners face down on a clean, flat surface. Using one of the corner hinges, attach the two banners. Slide one of the banner snap rails into the hinge and screw tight. Slide the other banner snap rail into the hinge and screw tight. Repeat these steps to hinge the bottom of the banners together. Repeat these steps to attach the third banner. Once all three banners are attached, attach one side of the corner hinge to the top and bottom of the last banner. Lift up the two outside graphic panels, creating a triangle shape. Connect the top and bottom hinges to the graphic panel. Lift Trilogy upright. You are now ready to utilize the marketing power of the Trilogy banner display.